Hello students, welcome to the lecture. Today we will learn about one-time pad cipher. One-time pad cipher is also known as one-name cipher, which includes the following features. It is an unbreakable cipher. The key is exactly same as the length of message which is encrypted. Here the length of plain text and the length of key should be same. The key is made up of random symbols. As the name suggests, key is used one time only and never used again for any other message to be encrypted. So this kind of cipher will be used for military applications in which the key is used only one time. Let us see how the encryption should be performed using one-time pad cipher. Suppose I have the plain text, this is secret, and the key is XVHEUWNOPGDZ. First of all, we have to assign numeric value to all the alphabets such that A is equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 2, up to Z equal to 25. Now, write down the plain text like this. This is secret. And then write down the equivalent numeric value for all these characters. For T, the equivalent numeric value is 19. For H, it is 7. For I, it is 8. For S, equivalent numeric value is 18. For I, 8, S, 18, again S, it is 18. For E, equivalent numeric value is 4. For C, it is 2. For R, it is 17. For E, it is 4. And for T, it is 19. Do the same thing for the key also. Write down the key and write down the equivalent numeric value for all the characters of the key such that X equal to 23, for Y it is 21, for H it is 7. Do the same thing for rest of the characters. Now add plain text and key. Add a numeric value of plain text character to the numeric value of key character. For this column, T and X, 19 plus 23 gives you 42. For the next character pair, 7 plus 21 gives you 28. 8 plus 7, 15. 18 plus 4, 22. 8 plus 20, 28. 18 plus 22, 40. 18 plus 13, 31. 4 plus 14, 18. 2 plus 15 equal to 17. 17 plus 6 equal to 23. 4 plus 3, 7. And 19 plus 25 gives you 44. Now see the result. If the resultant number is greater than equal to 26, then minus 26 from that number. See, this is the first number 42, which is greater than equal to 26. So we have to minus 26 from 42. 42 minus 26 will gives you 16. The next number is 28, which is also greater than equal to 26. So minus 26 from this number. 28 minus 26, 2. 15, which is less than 26. So write it as it is. 22, write it as it is. 28 is greater than equal to 26. So minus 26 from this number and you will get 2. 40 is again greater than equal to 26. So 40 minus 26 gives you 14. 31 is greater than equal to 26. 31 minus 26 gives you 5. 18 which is less than 26, so write down it as it is. 17 write down as it is, 23 write down as it is, 7 write down as it is. 44 is greater than equal to 26, so minus 26 from 44. 44 minus 26 will gives you 18. Now write down the equivalent character for all these numbers. For 16 the equivalent character is Q. For 2 equivalent character is C. For 15 value equivalent character is P. For 22 it is W. For 2 it is C. For 14 it is O. For 5 it is F. For 18 S. For 17 equivalent character is R. For 23 it is X. For 7 it is H, and for 18 the equivalent character is S. So the resultant cipher text is Q C P W C O F S R X H S. This is your generated cipher text. Using one time pad for the plain text, this is secret. Now we will see how the decryption will be performed in one time pad cipher. For the cipher text QCPWCOFSRXHS and the key XVHEUVNOPGDZ, we will try to get plain text using one time pad cipher. First of all, write down the cipher text as it is and then write down the numeric value for all these characters. For Q it is 16, for C it is 2, for P it is 15. Do the same thing for rest of the character. For key, write down the equivalent numeric value like this. For X, equivalent numeric value is 23, for V it is 21, for H it is 7. Do the same thing for the rest of the character. The next step is, now subtract key from ciphertext. The formula is ciphertext minus key. The equivalent numeric values for ciphertext and the equivalent numeric value for key, and do the subtraction. 16 minus 23 will gives you minus 7. 2 minus 21 gives you minus 19. 15 minus 7 equal to 8. 22 minus 4 it is 18. 2 minus 20 it is minus 18. 14 minus 22 minus 8. 5 minus 13 minus 8. 18 minus 14 it is 4. 17 minus 15 gives you 2. 23 minus 6 17. 7 minus 3 4. And 18 minus 25 gives you minus 7. Now see the result. If the number is negative, then you have to add that number into 26. Minus 7 plus 26, you will get 19. Minus 19 plus 26, you will get 7. 8 is less than 8 is greater than 0, so write it as it is. 18 is also greater than 0, write it as it is. Minus 18, which is negative number, so add 26 into minus 18. Minus 18 plus 26 gives you 8. Minus 8 plus 26, 18. Minus 8 plus 26, 18. 4 is not a negative number, so write down as it is. 2, 17, 4, all are the positive numbers, so write down as it is. Minus 7 is less than 0, so add 26 into minus 7, so you will get 19. After this, you have to write down equivalent character for all these numeric values. For 19, equivalent character is T. For 7, equivalent character is H. For 18, for 8 it is I. For 18 it is S. For 8 it is I. 18 S. 18 again S. For 4 it is E. For 2, equivalent character is C. For 17 it is R. For 4 it is E. And for 19 it is T. So the generated plain text is "This is secret." See you in the next lecture. Thank you.